Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and ignore Gemini. Keep holding till you get this page. Here you're going to swipe up to turn off your device, and when the phone turns off, hold power button and the volume up at the same time. Now the moment you have anything show up on the screen, you will let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. In the recovery mode, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select wipe data, then confirm it using your power button. Select wipe all data, confirm. Give it a moment. I think it gets only to like 5%. Okay, maybe more. But it doesn't get to 100, so we don't need to wait here full 100. There we go. So once it's finished, you can see data wipe successfully. So we're going to select power button to go back to main menu, power button to reboot, and power button to reboot to system. This will now continue resetting the device in the background, which will take approximately 2 minutes or so to finish up. And once that's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.